Want to lose weight quickly and easily? Follow these tips. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help control your appetite. Eat more veggies. Load up on vegetables for low-calorie, high-nutrient meals. Exercise regularly. Incorporate cardio and strength training into your routine. Watch your portions. Use smaller plates to avoid overeating. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support weight loss. Track your progress. Keep a food journal and monitor your weight to stay accountable. Follow these tips, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, slimmer you. Remember, sustainable weight loss is best achieved through a combination of healthy eating, regular exercise, and lifestyle changes. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new weight loss program.